The Champions regular batch at Hyderabad, physical face-to-face live classes, is a comprehensive course leading right up to NEET PG 2025. Friends, the classes will commence from 6th of April 2024 and they will go right through October 15, 2024. Each class will be followed by subject-wise class test and grand test in a structured way.
After the class, there will be subject-wise tests. These subject-wise tests help the students to consolidate each subject individually. Then the grand test, they will simulate the actual exam and that will help students to improve the scores and the accuracy. E&D, that is exam and discussion. This session will be made specifically by the experts, that means subject-wise faculty. It will help to strengthen your concepts and also you can ask your doubts.
Live in-app revision program, what we call as marathon program. INICT marathon before INICT and NEET PG marathon before NEET PG gives you the final revision before the exams. In these marathon sessions, the 19 subject faculties cover the entire course in a span of like 7-8 days and ensures that you go into the examination hall with all the information fresh in your head.
Overall, Hyderabad is going to help the students have a comprehensive revision for the exam that they are going to be facing for the NEET PG on 7th of July 2024. What can be better than having the legendary faculties have an interaction with you face to face to help you ace the exam? So don't miss this opportunity, friends.
BTR will be a super revision program wherein I'll be helping you cover, revise and consolidate all of the 19 subjects that will help you get that extra edge for your final revision.
Dear students, Cerebellum is an emotion. It's an institute for the students by the teachers. Cerebellum team is dedicated and committed for your cause till the final day of your exam. Believe in your hard work and trust our commitment. When the students and teachers work together, magic happens.
This is a comprehensive program with 360-degree support. We are committed to help you realize your dreams and achieve your potential. Friends, for further details and assistance, do visit Cerebellum office at Padma Rao Nagar, Hyderabad. See you there.